Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center text in the middle of a table in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with table and text. Now I center text in the middle of this table. At first you have to select this table, like drag on your mouse. You can see I select this text and table. Now you can see here are align option. Just press this align option and you can see here are center align. Just press it. Now you can see I center text in the middle of a table in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.